mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Today we are doing horse riding and
Oh no, but they did not hatch. That's why they are.
so big. Oh my goodness. It looks very peaceful.
Sla rechtsaf en je bestemming bevindt zich aan de rechterkant.
And very beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let me show you guys.
He's got you in your eyes and crossing your T's. Got you cleaning your dirt before it gets back to me. He's got you in your eyes and crossing your T's. Got you cleaning your dirt before it gets back to me. Just when you need, I feel losing the blues, so I stopped it. Doing it cool, but I never did it to you. Oh no. So why you do it to me, baby? Sounds so stupid to me. Ain't it funny how you couldn't be alone? God in your eyes, and crossing your T's, eyes are cleaning your dirt. You wanna need somebody, you need somebody, you need somebody, you need stupid to me, ain't it funny how you couldn't be alone?
At the new place we are in, it's called the Swellendam area, and it's a very chilly over here because I think it's in the mountainside. Plus, this place is giving Cinderella vibe. It's giving 1900s, 1980s vibe. Everything is antique. I think you've already seen from the video that I've posted from before these ones. Everything is like, whoo, from the thing that you didn't know existed in that age, that was luxury. So now let me show you a tour of our room, and you can also see it's like, let me show you. We have a fountain just outside our place, and it brings you inside the house. We have 2 porch sittings here, and then this door is the kind of door that people have like the cowboy places, yeah, like you can open it halfway. One stays open, one stays closed from there. And then when you walk in, you are met by the ancient looks and architectures, yeah? Look at this. I'm so in love with this. And then, guys, if you have a Chesterfield bed, just like I do, you're living in the 90s, you're living in the 80s. So, and then you have a nice bed here that is customized with their logo that is here. And then we go over to the mini area. They have the old tea makers. Like everything is really kitambo uko. You see, nothing new here. So the aesthetic girlies, this is not your place. Oh, and look at the what is it called? I'm not even sure what it's called. And then we have a Cinderella cupboard, yeah? You see how big it is? Wow. Like, this was the luxury back then. Na kifungu hapa with your key, well put. I think I should have one of those prom dinners, prom dresses. And then a huge ass mirror over here, and then we put a heater because it's too cold. Oh, and then we have a fireplace here. I think they'll be coming to put on fire here during the night, or we need to put it by ourselves, I'm not so sure. Like very old like structures that I love. Plus it smells old. It smells countryside. I don't know if you know country. Nah, it smells Oshago. Yes, and then there. We have a heater here. Let's go to the main deal, the bathroom. You see, and it's like all vintage vibe. This vibe, like, it's so new to me. I've not been in a place where it's like this, and I was so amazed at the toilet. Look. What? This place really amazes me. Like, I'm excited with everything. Look, the old people, they used to take time with making things. So yeah, that's the place we are in right now. I'm looking forward to the dinner. So let me prepare, and then I'm going to get back to you guys later on. I think we'll be here for 3 days. We were 3 days in we are 3 days in Capetown, 3 days in Swellendam, and then we head over to another place. So yeah, beautiful people. It's our first morning here in Swellendam, and we are in a nature conservancy. And where we are, I think from where I'm standing, you can hear the splashing of the water, because we are trailing towards a hill that has a waterfall. So it's so beautiful from the nature around. You can see, I think it's the man-made plants there, the greenery, the mountains. Let me show you guys. Wow, it's so nice. I kid you not, the videos don't do this place justice. What? In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. When I say, oh we oh you. I need my choir. It's really a jungle, huh? But people are praying. When my family is praying for me back at home to be safe, I'm in the jungle. I think you guys should pray more.
Crossing your T's, cleaning your dirt. Before it gets back to me.
The network, huh? Okay, we can go up and then we try and find. So guys, my legs were really shaking, like extremely shaking when we were up for that hike. I think now it's 2 hours later, and I think it's 1 hour up, 1 hour down, depending on how fast you walk. But we took several breaks here and there because it's not easy. And yeah, let's go get back the energy that we lost in the hike. There is where we are from. There. Yeah. This place is so peaceful. Yesterday, we arrived here yesterday, and most of the places were already closed. They like hawana shida na maisha. They don't have any hurry with life. Like it's on the weekend, they close, they go home. Like right now, we came for a snack or maybe a late lunch, and the place we were supposed to come into, you see, I think there's a guy who is taking things back in. They already closed. It's 3 o'clock if I'm not wrong, almost 3. and they're closing down because it's on a weekend, and it's like an abandoned city. You see like the movies where people, not so crowdy place, like a very nice neighborhood, yes, but not so active. Like a horror movie, like in a bit of a horror movie. Like something happened in this place and everybody left, so wala ambao wabakiani wale kidogo kidogo ambaye ni vichwa ngumu. So yeah, and everybody knows who is who here. So yeah, so you're trying to find another place to go and have some little snack before. So I'm wondering if it's now 3. Oh, the church just ringed because now it's 3, exactly 3. You can see actually it's giving the old age. Today we are doing horse riding, and I tried to match my outfit so that I don't look like a amateur. But I'm super excited. We're already here at the Heritage Horse Avenue, so horse riding, who am I? So beautiful. This is so nice. This one is so big. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be on top of this. Oh wow, so big, huh? They are really so big. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I expected, but they look so big.
Some of them are bigger than others. I'm gonna keep them.
Safety gears already on. So from the horse riding activity, and guys, if you've not been on a horse before, make it a point to go for a horse ride once in your lifetime. It's such a wholesome experience, and I was on a camel before, but it does not fit to be put into the same category, not at all. So yeah, it was a 1-hour ride with beautiful sceneries, with a mountain, with like a swamp, with the trees, different kind of trees, with the little pony and the dogs. Awesome, a beautiful way to start off the day and a continuation of this trip. Wow. So yeah, yesterday we came to this restaurant, but it was closing down where the church is. I think from there you can see the church. Is it there? No. There is the church, and we are here to have a little coffee break and then see what the day has in store for us. It's a very nice cafe. Let me show you guys how it is. The beautiful colors of the trees and
Say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady.
after hours, 2 hours to be precise, of traveling, we arrived at our new location. It's called Mossle Bay. So let's go check out our new place and our new environment. My goodness, I am. What? Okay.
from Zimbabwe grows the tallest, 2.7 meters tall. It has a weight of 140 kilograms. And the ostrich from Zimbabwe is low in fertility. We don't farm with it. We do not farm with the ostrich from Kenya. So both the imports have low fertilities in the environment. Their fertilities would increase, and so will their feather qualities also improve. Now look at the neck and the legs of the male. Can we all see the blue skin? Ostrich from Zimbabwe. I guess if you are comfortable, you may feed the birds, but do hold on.
I think they know the containers.
So we're going to see some ostriches have missing feathers like that male. So whenever they fight with each other, they lose their feathers, they pluck, they use their beak to get those feathers off, but the feathers will definitely grow back.
They are breakable, so we're only going to stand. We can actually stand on one as well. I'm going to have to try to balance.
But this is real eggs.
They are real, but they did not hatch. That's why they are so strong. And that is keeping the egg strong is the yolk which is inside, and the yolk should be fresh. If I would stand on top of a rotten egg, it does break. And we can actually smell from afar if the egg is rotten, because they do smell horrible. Okay. The shell. In their life sizes, and the difference amongst the three breeds, that is the weights and heights, quality of feathers and fertilities, meat taste and meat quality is the same, and leather quality is also the same. And we saw the ostrich walks on two toes, not on the foot. This over here, this is the ankle. This is the ankle. This is the foot. It walks on the two toes. Underneath the wing right there is the knee, and the hip is in
Yeah, Cangu.
Cangu Cave. Today has been just really adventurous. I bet you guys are loving it already, and I think this weather here loves me. Every time I take a video, I am too stunned to speak because of this. Are you not too stunned to speak? You see, you can't even talk because of this beauty. So let's go and see what's all the fuss about this Cangu Cave, because look at how many cars there are here, and there's still more to go there. They have 3 parking places and it's all packed. So let's go see.